Dance. Go out there and dance. All right.
What kind of clothes do you want now?
It doesn't matter. How about you give her like a choice between something like simple or something?
You go, I will watch it.
Yeah, you can see Kira's dancing.
Auntie?
See her dancing? She's getting dizzier and dizzier.
Let me
Okay, Kira.
say cheese. Kira, smile.
She's dancing.
Kira, say cheese. Cheese.
Can you clap your hands?
Hey, clap your hands.
And she fell down. Clap your hands. Yay! Now jump. Jump again.
I can't do that jump.
Kira can jump.